Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick guide to basic formatting in Microsoft Word. If you're a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be formatting like a pro. First up, let's talk about changing the font. All you need to do is highlight your text, go up to the toolbar and click on the font drop-down menu. Here, you can choose from tons of different fonts. Simple, right? Next, let's change the font size. Again, highlight your text, then go to the size drop-down right next to the font menu. Pick a size you like, and boom, you've got bigger or smaller text. Now, if you want to add some color, highlight your text and click on the font color button. You can choose any color you want from the palette. Easy peasy. Moving on to styles. You can bold, italicize, or underline your text by using the buttons that look like a B, I, and U on the toolbar. Just highlight your text and click any of those buttons. Super straightforward. Aligning text is also a breeze. You have options to align your text to the left, right, center, or justify it. Just highlight your text and click on the alignment buttons in the toolbar. Done. Finally, let's talk about creating lists. For numbered lists, just click the numbered list button in the toolbar and start typing. For bulleted lists, click the bullet list button instead. Easy as that, and there you have it. Basic formatting in Microsoft Word. Give these tips a try and watch your documents transform. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.